Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Life Reviewed. My name is Deb and welcome to yet another unboxing video in our channel. So today we have with us here the Portronics My Buddy Hexa 3. This is a portable foldable laptop stand, air ventilated, and this has 12 angle adjustment, and this can adjust height from 13 to 18 inches, so that's a lot. And it is compatible for laptops from 12 inches to 18-inch laptops, and it can take up to 25 kilos of weight, so that's quite a lot. A laptop usually is not that much. It's usually at most it will be 5 kilos, not even that, 3 to 4 kilos. Also it has anti-slip pads. Let me show you what's around the box. So this is the back of the box. 12 adjustable levels, as I've said, hollow ventilated design. The hollow stand acts as a heat sink. Anyways, this is made of ABS plastic, so yeah, and the weight of this is around 550 grams, and I bought this for around 440 rupees from Amazon. Lightweight, compact, multi-purpose, anti-slip, anti-scratch. We'll see. The MRP of this is listed around 699, and I think this is made in country of origin is India. Oh, that's nice. And it has 1 year warranty. And right, that sounds nice. Let's go ahead and see what's inside the box. So, lots of seals. Oh, this really has. Hope this opens. Yeah. Okay, let's keep this aside. The plastic is not in a very good condition. I hope this is not a second-hand item. Sometimes sometimes some user return their products after using it for a few days, and the sellers try to sell that off as new. I hope it's nothing like that. Okay, so very shiny. The material is very shiny. It looks and feels cheap. And is that a crack? This looks like a crack. I'm not sure. So this part apparently comes out. So something like this. Let me see. It says open. Okay, so it opens. It has a hinge. It opens like this. And this is a metal frame, and you can fix it here. Yeah, that's how you can adjust the height. Very simple mechanism. And if your laptop is placed in this position, it might very easily slip off. So for that, it has this kind of stopper here. So it's flimsy, not that. I would say that's not that of a good quality. This is rubber stoppers here. Overall, I am not that impressed with this. The pictures, it looked something else, as you can see, and this is the product that we get. So it's not that much similar, maybe in design, but yeah, the finishing is not up to the mark. Let's see. Maybe I will change my mind after using it for a few days. So okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you like this video. If you did, like, comment and subscribe, and if you have any questions regarding this product, put them in the comment section below, and I will answer each and every one of you. Stay safe till then. Check out one of our recent videos here, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe, good and goodbye.